Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Intercom plus HubSpot sync with AI follow-up messages, full guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your HubSpot account. Navigate to your integrations section. Find and select the Intercom integration. Make sure that the integration is connected and authorized. Open a new browser tab and log in to your Intercom account. Ensure that the Intercom integration settings align with your expectations. Next, access your HubSpot contact database. Create a test contact if you don't already have one. Ensure that this contact is set up to receive messages from Intercom. Head back to Intercom and simulate an interaction with your test contact. Send a message through the Intercom platform. Monitor the response from your test contact's side. Now, return to HubSpot and check if the interaction logs appear under the contact's activity. If the conversation is recorded, the sync is functioning properly. Next, focus on verifying AI follow-up messages. Access your settings in Intercom. Locate the AI response feature. Review the configuration for automated follow-up messages. Ensure that they're set to trigger based on user interactions. Conduct another test interaction through Intercom with the same test contact. Observe if an AI follow-up message is successfully sent. Once received, head back to HubSpot to confirm it's logged appropriately. Examine the timeline of the contact in HubSpot. Check if the AI response is accurately reflected in the interaction history. If everything appears correct, you've successfully verified sync and AI follow-up functionality. For troubleshooting, revisit both Intercom and HubSpot settings for consistency. Double-check API keys and permissions if syncing issues arise. Test the integration with varying contact types for thorough verification. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.